it's Gamori, and today we're going to be making Mew Ichigo's sleeve puffs. For Ichigo's arm puffs, we're going to start by cutting 2 rectangles out of the pink satin and 4 rectangles out of some red satin. Fold the red rectangles in half and sew them along the tops and bottoms of the pink rectangle, leaving the edges open so that they can be turned into tubes for the elastic. Next, we're going to cut 2 larger pink rectangles and sew a gathering stitch along the top and along the bottom. Gather the big pink rectangle and sew it to the smaller rectangle along the top and along the bottom. Then we're going to turn it right side out and cut a strip of thin elastic. We're going to thread that through the red channels along the top and the bottom of the arm poof, and we're going to sew everything into place along the sides. Putting right sides together, fold the sleeve puff in half and sew it together along the side. Also add some zigzag stitching to keep the edges from fraying. Turn it right side out, and with that, the sleeve puffs are done. For more tutorials on how to make the rest of the costume, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.